everything belongs to those who believe first. World Reserve crypto is still in its early stages, and only those who believe early in a crypto truly profit. The people who got rich bought Bitcoin when no one believed, or invested in Microsoft when the shares were worth pennies. Those who came later only picked up the crumbs. Don't make the same mistake. Believe in World Reserve crypto today, because tomorrow might be too late. Watch this video till the end to find out how to win 50,000 WRC. 1 million WRC costs just a few dollars today. But the plan is clear: burn, rarity, and global reach. If the market discovers it, the value could change forever. Locked liquidity, halved supply, total trust. Our liquidity pool is locked forever. No one can ever run away with the funds. Maximum security, total transparency. Plus, we have a clear public manual burn plan. By 2029, only 500 million tokens will remain. The fewer tokens in circulation, the more each one is worth. The second official WRC AirDrop is about to begin. You'll have 10 days to participate by following 3 simple rules. At the end, 50 lucky winners will be drawn, and each will receive 50,000 WRC. Don't miss it. Keep watching. Now, let me introduce a new voice, who will join me on the mission to make World Reserve crypto known across the world. This is Andrew. Listen carefully.
Listen, share, win. Hi, I'm Andrew. Joining the second airdrop is super simple. 1. Follow our official X profile. 2. Retweet the airdrop post. 3. Follow our podcast on Spotify, the #1 platform for podcasts. You have time from May 15th to May 25th. At the end, 50 winners will be randomly selected, and each will receive 50,000 WRC. Thank you.
Your future can start today. Every great project was underestimated at the beginning, but those who believed early won. World Reserve crypto is just beginning its journey, and you can still be among the first.